Welcome to Dialogue Lesson 22.
Well, Peter, have you decided what we are going to eat, or are you still looking at the menu?
I am looking around at the other tables and the Chicken Vindaloo seems popular. I am looking into what is a good side dish. It must be difficult for foreigners to understand phrasal verbs. We use them such a lot. It is simple to use a verb like look and add a preposition like for. You have the word you need. Look at means to direct your eyes towards. Look into means investigate. The English language is full of phrasal verbs. There are no hard and fast rules. You just have to learn them. You Americans invent new ones all the time.
It's true. Remember Breaking Bad, a verb plus a preposition which makes no sense. No one had ever heard that one before. It was an expression only ever used in the town where the writer of the series lives.
Anyway, you have to go with the flow and just learn them off by heart. Shall I order?
Yes, please, I am starving. I hope that the food arrives very quickly.